Hi, how are you today? Today I was just cleaning my Google Drive and um, I saw this work I did before for a client way back in 2013. For this client, his niche was raw vegan power. And so I was just, this was hours and hours of work before doing research for raw vegan recipes, doing raw vegan question and answers, like manually doing this, looking for people's answers to a specific question, and even doing research for all because this client was from Brazil, so I was doing research for Brazilian bloggers and chefs, and then I was doing what else? Raw vegan websites, raw vegan desserts. But this one is empty. Okay. Yeah, but really, it's a lot of work before, like raw vegan chocolate. Yeah, so it's a lot of work before. Like it takes a lot of hours to do the research and then composing the article, and then so it's a lot of work before. And today I just tried ChatGPT. Okay. Let me show you how hours and hours of work can be done in just less than 5 minutes with AI today. So I already have here my prompt. Write top 10 raw vegan recipes. Can you include the website links for your resource? Please put in a table. First column is recipe name, second column is website name, and third column is a website link. Yeah, so see, ChatGPT is like also my virtual assistant. It's also like a AI assistant for me. So it says it searched 5 sites. Yeah, it's really amazing how I did this as a human being before, and now AI can just do it in just a few minutes. Maybe I can also ask, can you um, get more sites to do this to do for this? Yeah, it's really amazing how it's doing it for me, and then I can go on and on to ask this chat gpt. So now write a blog using the information above. Okay, put the recipes on a table format. Now it's writing the article for me. Wow, just amazing. Okay, now if I am still a virtual assistant for this client, what I would do is just to humanize this a little, because it's purely done by AI. Now what I can do is just put this in a Google Doc and then edit it a little. So just to add some human factor in this article, but in just 2 minutes. This article is done compared to hours and hours of work before. like every month we published one article like this for this client, but I have to do like I think full-time work before. Yeah, so hours of work versus just 2 minutes. So thank you, AI.